Welcome, everyone. Today, we're putting Adobe and FlexClip head-to-head in the ultimate showdown. So, can FlexClip really replace Adobe? The answer is, it depends. For some users, absolutely. Let's break down how FlexClip stacks up against Adobe's most powerful tools. Illustrator and Photoshop, there have been plenty of alternatives, but when it comes to video production, the unique capabilities of these three tools have forced users to stick with Adobe's subscription model. FlexClip does offer an image extension function, and the results are visually impressive. So, let's call this one a tie. The real question is, can it create the essential effects for warping and magic? I wanted to do a direct video comparison, but due to YouTube's current video editing limitations, I had to skip it. Are you a professional video editor, or do you create content for social media? For YouTube and Instagram creators, FlexClip is a powerful alternative. It's expanding what's possible for content creators in a big way. But when it comes to professional filmmaking, Adobe is still the king. So, which one will you choose? If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.